So I'm to talk into this box. Is anyone else getting this? I am to talk into some sort of box that seems to be blinking something, some sort of sun device at me. I feel ridiculous. Is this witchcraft? Is anyone getting this? This is a story about a voyage that had such adventure. The adventure was the search for a new land, leaving behind us our old land, our old habits, our old behaviors, the behaviors that kept us from being who we are, who we truly are. This search was a search for a new land, the new land where we could be who we are, who we truly are, because we are more than just a name. For when we find this land, we can be who we were created to be.
And you know